Hello, how are you doing today? Today I'll be explaining or showing why your bank account or some of your bank accounts can't receive certain amounts and how to correct that. I take it again. Why your bank account or some of your bank accounts can't receive certain amounts and how you can correct that. And what do I mean? I've had situations where some people came and were discussing issues or they were complaining of a payment that was made, but it kept bouncing or it kept showing that they hadn't gotten the payment. All right. In fact, in some cases, they were invited by the bank to ask them, are you expecting any kind of payment like this? But the question is, why didn't their account receive the payment? Why couldn't their account receive that payment? The correction is this. How to go about it is what happened first of all, then we'll go to the correction. What happened is many times, maybe at the point when they were opening the account, in filling those forms, there were different kind of accounts. Some of them were student accounts, some of them were corporate accounts, some of them were trade accounts, some were simpler accounts. So at those points, maybe they ticked maximum limit or maybe transaction, especially receivership. Maybe they put 100,000, 200,000, 50,000. 300,000, 1 million, like that. So they had put it there years ago, or maybe some time ago, or in a certain period of time. So now things have passed, years have passed, months have passed, and transactions have been going on. But now, maybe they're stepping on a bigger level whereby they're running transactions that involve bigger money. So if people are paying to them, they don't receive the amount because some time ago, some years ago, they have been put a mandate that this account shouldn't receive more than this amount. In fact, a lot of the corporates here are students, maybe accounts that they opened while they were in school or when they were serving or when they were much younger. All right. So they've carried it to older age. Maybe they were thinking those amounts were big then, so to speak. But right now, those amounts are bouncing. So some people say, I've paid the money, and they say, I haven't gotten the money. And the next thing is reversed. In fact, sometimes I've seen it happen in cases that involve scholarships. Some people got scholarships and they were maybe funding their personal account with the money or with stipends and the rest, and they couldn't receive it. Others were receiving and they said they've not gotten theirs. All right. Many times it's because of the mandate that has been set some time ago or years ago about the amount it can receive. It can also happen in sending, how much you can send in a day or how much transaction you can run in a day. But today I'm particularly focused on receivership. All right. So what do you do? How do you correct this? You go to your bank. Go there physically or any branch of your bank and talk to the customer care so they can look at your mandate, look at your forms and make such amendments. Some of them may require you to write a letter, some handwritten letter, some typed letter. If it's a company, they may need to type it in your letterhead or even handwrite it in your letterhead. Or if it's a personal account, they may need you to put it into writing that you want to increase. Why some banks will just find a way to do it for you, so they can increase the demand on how much you can receive at a time or in a single transaction. All right, so you can correct that. So some may, as a result of this video, some of you may be asking like, I don't even know mine. It's better we're all praying, we're all working to be able to make more. All right, so it's better you go check it now and know how much you have said and quickly correct it and raise it to any amount for a receivership. All right, so that you don't fall into that category another day. You never know what good things can happen around the corner, what receiverships you may have, be deals, be contracts and all that, so that you don't sell yourself short and put yourself in a delay situation or quagmire, or they'll think that is this person really serious. All right, or you may at that time your mind may never go in that direction. You may be thinking something is wrong with you somewhere, or somebody's against you, or they're just playing you. No. Go find out for yourself. So go to your bank if you don't know and find out how much you have set as your mandate so that you can go correct it, or to verify maybe the last time you change it, to go check what it is, whether you can increase it or leave it there or decrease it. I also did a video some time ago about knowing your account managers. Every bank account has an account manager. All right, if you knew your account manager now, you could just easily call and say, help me check and all that, and what do I need to do to get this done. So I'll put a link to that video right under here on how to know your account manager and what are their responsibilities and roles and obligations towards you. All right, I'll put a link there so you can learn that yourself. All right, but otherwise, go to your bank, find out what is your limit today and adjust it to where you see yourself or where you want to be. Hope this was of value to you. And if you have any questions, you can always ask in the comment sections. All right, don't forget to subscribe, and the subscribe button on YouTube, especially those on YouTube. If you're not watching this on YouTube, go to YouTube, all right, and just type my name, Uye Eboma, all right, or Uye Eboma, as other people call it, all right. And subscribe and click the notification button so you can get more videos like this that I do. All right, I do a lot of videos like this, teaching or sharing some knowledge in this regard to help, to educate, to remind, because some people already know them, but just to remind you and tell you what currently obtains in such areas. All right, so see you in my next video. Have a wonderful day.